Do you ever think that starting a side hustle could change your life, get you on a path to financial and time freedom, but something's holding you back? Maybe it's you don't have enough money. Maybe it's you don't have enough time. Maybe it's you just don't feel confident enough to do it. Well, today we're going to bust those three myths wide open for you so that you can start your side hustle without worrying about those little things. I also want to tell you we have a free resource to help you get started on your side hustle to find the best side hustle for you. It's called the 10-minute clarity checklist. Link is in the description. Did you realize that 40% of Americans today have side hustles? Do you also realize that 21% of those say they have to have it to make ends meet? And that's up from 12% only 3 years ago. Yeah, side hustles are important and they can change your life. 100%. Changed my life. So let's start busting those myths that are holding you back from starting your side hustle. The first one we're going to talk about is I don't have enough money. Most side hustles take less than $5,000 to start. Absolutely take less than $5,000 to start. Let's go back to my side hustle. I'm a DJ. That's my side hustle. I started with $800 worth of equipment. And now I've built that business up and I've taken 2 trips to Italy in 2024. Can't beat that. Do you also realize that starting like a pressure washing company or window washing, and my favorite right now is mobile car detailing. I think that's one of the best opportunities for people right now. If you build that reputation of taking care of people's cars, getting them clean, going to them and doing it, I think there's a huge market for that. And I think you can make really good money at it. Also, AI has opened the door for us. AI has given us many, many opportunities at zero cost. I made a video on it. It's on the screen right now. Go look at it. Start these AI businesses for nothing. You don't need a whole lot of money. You need an idea and discipline and a plan. Myth number 2, and this is my favorite. I don't have enough time. Do you realize that the average American spends 294 minutes a day in front of a television? That's almost 5 hours a day of watching TV. And I don't have enough time to change my life. I don't have enough time to get the financial and time freedom that I want. The average adult spends 2.5 hours scrolling social media, but I don't have enough time to start my side hustle. I don't have enough time to start working my journey to financial and time freedom. Don't have time. That's so bogus. But I will say this. You have to have a plan for your time. If you go up there and you start down that rabbit hole of YouTube, finding tutorial after tutorial and not make an action toward building your business, then yeah, you don't have time. I'm going to tell you, I wrote a book. I set aside 3 hours on certain nights, not every night, but certain nights, where I would go upstairs, sit down, and write the book. I finished it. I have a book. It's published. It's out on Amazon right now. But you have to do that. You have to have a plan. They're non-negotiable times. You go up there and you work on action items to build your business. I don't have enough time. That's not true. Make the time. Decide your priorities and make the time. Myth number 3. I have to be an expert. I got to know it all before I can start. Boy, that's not true. The majority of entrepreneurs start and learn on the job. I'll give you a perfect example. My very first DJ gig, it was a wedding reception. And I was there. I had a plan in my mind. I thought, well, this is the way it's going to go. This way, it's going to be great. But my plan was totally incorrect because I didn't know any better. And I had to learn on the job to make sure that this wedding had the best reception they could possibly have. And we did that. We had a great time. They had a great time. It turned out to be my very first 5-star review. And they had a great time. I learned so much in that one evening. You're going to learn on the job. Now, I will tell you this. Here's the secret to starting your side hustle and getting more sales quicker. Number 1 is use the skills that you have in something you enjoy to do, right? You have a set of skills already in you. All you got to do is use those in something you enjoy to do, and you will exponentially increase your chances of success in a side hustle. No doubt about it. You're not going to know it all. There's no time that you're going to know everything. It's just not going to happen. So you got to start those small steps. You got to start somewhere. And don't forget to download my 10-minute side hustle clarity checklist. This will help you decide on what side hustle is best for you and start you down that path of finding it, and then give you action steps on how to start it. You start small, right? Money-wise, time-wise. You start small and you build momentum. You make a plan for your time. Plan out your time. And you're never going to have the perfect situation to start. It's not going to be the perfect time. You're not going to have the perfect amount of money. You're not going to have everything is not going to be perfect. You cannot wait for the perfect conditions. You got to start today. And that brings me to the number one thing to kickstart your side hustle today. The number one thing you can do to kickstart your side hustle is start today. Write down those action steps that need to be done to build your business and start today. Number one thing you can do, start today. All right, we busted those 3 myths. It's now time for you to get started. We talk in generalities on this channel all the time, but it's time for you to set the specifics. It's time for you to write down those action items that you're going to start and start building your business. It may be starting to find the side hustle you need to do, but start it today. Start looking today. Thanks for watching. We'll see y'all in the next one. Keep on hustling.